Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go through an evening wind down yoga routine to help you clear your mind before you go off to bed so you can have a better night's sleep. And we'll end this class with a few minutes of a sound bath. So I'll be using the singing bowl so you can get all the physical, mental, and emotional benefits of healing sounds. And so you can expect better sleep, you can expect to calm your mind and really release any tension that you've been carrying throughout the day so that you can really wind down and get ready for a good night's sleep. So whenever you're ready, let's get started. Let's start today's class in child's pose. So bring the hips back, the hands out in front of you, lengthening through the spine, just coming back into this present moment. Breathing here, letting go of anything from the day, tuning into your breath. Breathing in, expand your torso. Exhale and let it go. Now begin to walk both hands to the left side of the mat. One hand on top of the other, or karate chop your right hand, so pinky to the ground, for a side body stretch. Breathing into the side body. Coming back to the center and take it over to the other side. So one hand on top of the other, or karate chopping the left hand, so left pinky on the ground. Breathing into the left side of your body. And now come back to the center and take a breath here. Slowly come up. Walk your fingertips closer to your body and tuck your toes under for a toe stretch. Keeping your hands on the mat for a lighter stretch, or bring both hands on top of your thighs for a deeper stretch in the toes. So letting go of all the tension that you may have been carrying in your feet from the day. Take a few breaths here. Good. Now coming back to hands and knees, stretching out the toes here. Just begin to roll the ankles in one direction and then the other. Getting some good blood flow to the feet. And now bring your hips up and back into downward facing dog. Pedal out through the knees here, stretching out through the legs, the hamstrings, opening up, bending one leg and then the other, breathing here. Now come back to the center. And bring your right knee forward into Pigeon Pose. So bending at the right knee, opening up the chest. Take a breath here. Inhale. And as you exhale, fold forward. And thread the right arm underneath the left for a twist, resting your right cheek on the mat. Left hand can come out in front of you or rest under your cheek. Take a breath or two here. This is really giving us a good shoulder stretch. Letting go of the day here. And on your next inhale, come back up. Moving back into downward dog. Take a breath here. As you exhale, bring the left leg forward for Pigeon Pose on this side. So bending at the left knee. And as you exhale, fold forward, threading the left arm underneath the right and resting your left cheek on the mat. You can use your right hand as a pillow here. And really breathe into the side body here. Feeling that deep stretch in your hips. Breathing in and exhale out. On your next inhale, come back up to center and swing your legs out in front of you. Bend the left leg, twisting over to the left side. Right arm wraps around your left leg for a side body twist. Lengthen through the spine. And breathe here. Breathing in. And as you exhale, twist a little deeper. Really allowing the side body to get a nice stretch. Stimulating your digestion. And I will take this over to the other side. So left arm wraps around the right leg, right arm behind you, twisting your body over to the right. Inhale here. As you exhale, twist a little deeper. Allowing yourself to enjoy this time that you've given yourself this evening to wind down. come back to the center. Seated. And we'll begin to twist the torso in one direction. Forward and back. Moving from the hips. And take it to the other side. So rounding your spine as you move back. And opening the chest as you come forward. Now come back to the center. And drop your right ear to your right shoulder for a stretch on the left side of your neck. The neck is a place that we can store a lot of tension throughout the day, so doing these little neck stretches at the end of the day can really help release that tension. And now move your neck stretch to the other side. So left ear to left shoulder, really releasing through the traps here. Nice. Come back to the center. And we'll move into Shavasana. So feel free to lay down or stay seated while I use this singing bowl to take you through a few minutes of sound healing. Allowing this sound to bring your mind and body back into this present moment. Relaxed, at peace. Knowing that everything that you need is right here. You can relax into this present moment. If there's anything that wants to be released right now, a limiting thought, a limiting emotion, just feel free to let that go here. Clearing our space mentally, physically, and emotionally. whenever you're ready, you can gently begin to open your eyes, coming back to the room. Thank you for showing up today for this practice. You've done something pretty amazing for your mind and body. So have gratitude for yourself. Bring your hands up to touch. Exhale down to heart center. Namaste. And if you enjoyed today's practice, please leave me a comment down below how it went for you and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you again in the next class soon.